this. And this should be 45. If you want, you can make some other angle also. That doesn't matter. If you want, I'll make it more generalized discussion. Theta 1, theta 2. The level of liquid here is. This idea, again, you do have in SHM. No? It will get repeated. This much what we have. Okay, let me construct some small things. This is theta. This is say some alpha something. We are familiar with theta, no? So let me write alpha 2. Let this be theta. So it should accelerate like this. And these levels are given H1, this H2. If this is H2, so what can be this? This will be this length. Tan alpha 2. So call this is X2. This is X1. So you want that acceleration, that's all. So tan theta shall we write equal to A by G? Somehow we should get theta. What is theta? This should also equal to H2 minus H1 by X1 plus X2. We don't know X1 and X2. Tan theta is what I wrote. We don't know X1, X2. So tan alpha 1 equal to H1 by X1. Tan alpha 2 equal to H2 by X2. Substitute that value. So this will be A is equal to H2 minus H1 G. Yeah, okay. This one, yeah. 2 meter per second square. Huh? Yeah, fine. What is X1? H1 cot alpha 1, H2 cot alpha 2. Substitute that, you'll get the acceleration. Objective question, very important. But sir, like, now what you have to think? Sir, there's no liquid here. As if the fluid will behave as if here everywhere liquid is present. The free surface will align itself. So in fact, I gave rough diagram. So how the free surface here will be in this direction here. I should not show horizontal. It should be like this. This is actually the correct diagram. And there should not be any liquid in this region. So there should be actually the am I right? So it should have been like this, the diagram. Since is telling, assume the diameter of the tube is much smaller. So we can do some approximation here. Okay, 2 meter. Okay, fine. It's a given. I'll go for next one.